So I'm finally in. I moved into my inner city apartment at Södermalm Stockholm last Saturday after a long 6-month wait since we signed the papers back in June. This kitchen tour is the first of a series of room tours at my new apartment. I'm still working on the rest of the rooms and will share living room, bedroom and bathroom as well as patio in separate videos. So be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss those. Also, I'll be sharing how I organize these spaces too, so if you're interested in that, stick around. If you don't know what this place looked like before, there's a link to the empty apartment tour below, as well as a link to the video on the progress as I was working on the place. The apartment building is 15 years old and the kitchen was definitely in need of an update. I chipped off the old tiles and removed the old sink and countertops. They were replaced by this grey marble and I love it. A bit freaked out about it, but I absolutely love it. Initially I was going for quartz but couldn't find anything I liked, so I went for marble despite the fact that it's very hard and things will easily shatter if I set them down too roughly. Also, it can stain easily and citrus can dull the surface, but I'll just have to adjust accordingly, I guess. I love how the sink is set under the slab. Also, I learned my lesson from my previous kitchen where I had a similar flat bottom sink. It drove me nuts when stuff just stayed on the bottom and didn't drain, so here I opted for a tap with a pull-out hose. The cabinet doors were very chipped and bruised, so I had them refinished. Love how they turned out and hard to believe they were such a mess before. As for Nobs, I lived knoblessly for the first few days while trying to figure out what I wanted. In the end I went for simple chrome flat ones and a matching chrome handle for the dishwasher. Super happy with my choice. In my previous house I had a semi-freestanding white smeg fridge, which was super cute, but this kitchen needed something more built-in. There was a stainless steel fridge freezer here, but it turned out to be broken, so I replaced it with a slim white Bloomberg one. I'm not a foodie by any means, so this size is perfect for me. Originally there was a freestanding stove here, but it was partly broken. Yeah, this apartment had lots of quirks, to put it mildly. So I replaced it with a stovetop and built-in oven. They were just installed, so I have yet to cook on them, but they look the part. The hood over the stovetop also needed to be replaced, so I got the simplest, slimmest one I could find. I love how you almost don't see it. As for the floors, they're the same throughout the apartment. They're oak parquet, and they were originally varnished and were quite yellowed, and I had them sanded and hard waxed. They're now a richer color and have a super nice velvety feel to them. I kept the IKEA table and navy Amico chairs from the house, but I think I might need to switch out the table to a square one, as the round one takes up a bit too much floor space in this narrow kitchen area. So that was the tour of my new kitchen. I love it and I hope you enjoyed seeing it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up as it helps my little channel grow. See you in the next one.